Hello internet world, we just arrived to Lazy Days today and we're gonna spend the night in our fifth wheel, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna get up. Technicians are gonna show us a few more things and then we are headed off to Gainesville on our adventure. We have never pulled anything this long. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the pulling first off or if Mike is. It's an adventure no matter what. We're gonna take it nice and slow on I-75 all the way back to Gainesville. Right now there's a little bit of a rain shower going on, which we take as good luck. The sun is beautiful, it's shining, here comes the rain. Right now we're using the Lazy Day RV Resort amenities. Right now the boys are swimming, so we'll go inside and check out, see what they're doing. But today when we arrived, it felt like home. And last time it was, it was nerves, we didn't know how to do a lot. It was extremely hot. Today the air conditioning was on, we felt way more at home. We feel like we are ready for this. We are ready for this change in our life. It's gonna be quite a journey, quite an adventure. We're not really sure what we're doing. For the first month, we are planning on living at Devil's Den and Williston. Then we plan on doing a few days at some resort, maybe Clermont, and then we're gonna go to Citra, Florida, stay another month, and then we're planning another couple days. Maybe we'll practice some boondocking in there, and then we're going to go to Waldo to stay at Dixieland Resort. I know the first week of December, we're planning to live at Disney World. So we have some of this planned out, but some of it we really don't, and that's all part of the adventure. We feel we are as prepared as we could possibly be. But to really be prepared, I mean, it's impossible. Things are gonna happen. Bad things will happen, good things will happen. So we are expecting that. So wish us luck on our maiden voyage home tomorrow to Gainesville, and we will stay in touch. Here we are at the Lazy Day RV Resort, taking advantage of these free amenities that we have for today and for tomorrow. And tomorrow is the day when we set off on our maiden voyage in our 43-foot Momentum home. There's Bear. Bear, anything to say to the camera?
Hi! Our new home's it's gonna be in the RV, okay? So, we're gonna have tons of food and snacks and TV.
TV, yeah.
Anything else?
Technology, games, plants.
Tomorrow's our maiden day.
We're gonna have a blast!
We're gonna have a blast?
It's gonna exciting.
Are you gonna drive the truck and pull the 43-foot home, or who's gonna drive it?
Who's gonna drive it? Willem's going to let Willem
I am. And we're going to go to China next, tomorrow.
We're gonna travel to China?
Yeah.
The RV.
In the RV.
We are eating at Florida Wonders.
Here we are the morning of our maiden voyage. Here we go. So we're trying to leave Lazy Days, but we're having a little bit of an issue with emptying our sewer tanks, our black tank and our gray tank. Apparently we didn't have the correct adapter. Somehow we hit the wrong button and we kind of flooded a little bit, but that's okay. The technicians are helping us now. We're trying to track down the old hose that we had, even though I'm pretty sure it did not have the adapter either. So we may have to purchase something. But the problem is here, we need a specific septic tube that fits in there and then clamps down. And since this is a newer fifth wheeler, I guess we need a special hose. So wish us luck, and hopefully this is our only mishap. The fault was really not ours. Apparently someone at Lazy Days should have told us that we needed this very special sewer adapter. So here we are at the Lazy Day accessory service store, trying to practice parking. We're not the straightest, but that's okay. We're getting our practice, and then hopefully we can get on the interstate soon. I'll keep you updated. They think that they have this adapter in stock, but we're not really sure. But apparently our Momentum is so special, this is a very rare thing to happen. So stay tuned, hopefully we'll make it. Still stuck at the Lazy Day service accessory store. I just talked to some old timer who's been RVing for a long time. And he said Lazy Days has been giving him issues for the past 6 months. He keeps bringing his rig in, but he said not to worry, Camping World is just as bad. So apparently these RVs, they may need their warranty. So now we're actually looking into extending our warranty based on what this old timer said. Very nice guy, but the one thing I love about other full-timers that we come across, everyone is so nice. It takes a certain personality in order to become a full-timer. We are having a really good time, and this is part of our adventure. So stay tuned. Hopefully we will get back to Gainesville at least by today and make it into our apartment complex. You should hear sloshing. Let's just do the black one.
Should we turn this hose on now?
No, look, turn it off.
Okay, look.
Now we found out that the hose at actually Lazy Days is a little broken, so Mike has to hold it.
Like that.
He's still getting a little poo on his fingers.
It's human poo!
That's okay. We don't mind poo, so Mike, just make sure you wash your hands when you're done, okay?
Later.
We have our home and we are driving back to Gainesville. What do you think, Mike?
It's intense. This is crazy, but it's so far so good.
There it is, right behind us. You can see it in the window.
We are 50 feet long. This is a pull in a city. I feel like I was pulling a train. Bear was cranky. Willem was cranky. I don't know if you see Willem, he might be in his sleeping bag. As we're going, trying to get out of Tampa onto I-75. But
Do you think it drives pretty smooth? Or what do you think? For being a maiden voyage.
you can definitely feel the weight of it, which is a good thing. I'd rather have a little bit of weight, but I think it's doable for sure.
We're headed back to our apartment to see if we can squeeze it in there.
And there are more stuff we want to tell you.
Go ahead.
Later.
We are about to move to a fifth wheeler in 5 days.
Actually, today we're gonna move.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're moving. Technically, we're moving tomorrow. Get to a place.
And there we are going to sell some stuff, which is sad. But we're also going to keep some stuff, like my toys and technology. I would never get rid of my Nintendo.
All right, well, we're headed back to Gainesville. Wish us luck. It's my turn. I got a chance to try it out too, pulling the 43 footer. I'm doing good so far. Wish me luck. All right, Mike, what's going on with the hitch?
Okay, it's not, the teeth are not letting go of it. When I pull the level, it's not going. It's not, the teeth are not letting go.
The teeth should be opening and closing, from my
Yeah,
understanding.
and it's not, they're not.
Okay. This has to be the easiest move ever. We parked our fifth wheel in the Laurel's apartment, which is where we're living now. And basically we're just filling it up at the apartment, the truck, and then we're moving over here. So it's just a couple apartments away. But we come here and then we go up the ramp just like this. And then we just drop everything down. I put the rug down. Oh my gosh, it's really starting to look like a home all of a sudden. I have so much decorating to do. I'm gonna paint. This has to be our homeschool room as well, so I've got lots of work to do. But as you can see, it's coming along. We probably emptied the apartment, maybe half of it. It's a little hot right now, but everything's working out. Willem's having fun, he's sliding. Bear's at the apartment right now, watching cartoons, but so we have to get going. We've got more to load up. The sun is starting to go down and we are still at it. This will be the last load for today, and then tomorrow we'll get the big things, which is probably just the mattress. That's the only big thing we have. But then we will drive. Stop! Stop! Oh Lord. It's gonna run over our tail hauler. Good Lord. Today's been a fun day.
We're officially full-timers. This is day one. It's been a crazy, crazy day. It's about 1 a.m. in the morning. We're just finishing up. It's been interesting.
We're officially full-timing now. So congratulations to us.
Yeah.
We did it. It was
We
a
did
hard
it.
it was a hard day. Like a couple hours with tech support with Lazy Day. And we thought we fixed the problem, but we don't even know the slide could still be broken. So I'm gonna work on it tomorrow. And every day will be a new adventure. So, but we're here and it's amazing. We're at Devil's Den, Williston, Florida. We're gonna be here for about 30 days, and then we're gonna move on to our next destination.
Later, Barney.
Later.